Hello everyone. I'm excited to show you the other products we got today. We're going to do some actual unboxing. We got three things. First one is this one. It's the Fifine AM8, a low profile boom arm stand for a microphone. We also got their AM8, the Fifine speaker, which will be mounted to that. And then lastly, we got the Emeet Smart Webcam. I believe this is the 60. Yeah, it says the model right here is the E3131, but I think on the app, I'll double check, but it was the E60 or something like that. But excited to try these out. Again, we're going to unbox these right now. In the future, I'm hoping to post maybe some gaming videos, as well as I've been trying to learn some programming through Godot to build a few games, some 2D like pixel art style games. And we made a test one for my daughter. We made a Little Mermaid game, which I'll show here later. But that's something that we're going to be doing here in the future, and then I'll be doing a little bit more in-depth videos on these products, along with the Volts projector. Just kind of continuing doing more of these product reviews, but hopefully this kind of gives people insights as to these products and everything. But yeah, let's get started. So first we're going to open up this boom arm. Let me get a knife and we'll get started. Alrighty. Turns out this one doesn't need a knife. It doesn't have any tape on it, but let's start it. It looks like right here we got the instruction manual, just a little cardboard insert that was helping cover some things. This has the mounting bracket. These are just some of the screws that will go for underneath the disc, I believe. It's a metal part, which is nice, so very sturdy. That's it for that box. And then we have the boom arm, nice little poppers. Yeah, very nice. Something that's not going to be like swinging around, so I do have to apply a little bit of force to get that to turn, which I'll enjoy that a lot more, to where I don't have to worry about the arm swinging around, or if my daughter gets a hold of it, it's not going to swing around and break anything. In the next video, I'll kind of show the building process of what it is with this. But let me open up some of these other boxes real quick. We'll do this one. Got another instruction manual. And this is the little stand. So if I didn't want to use the boom arm, I could use this just right in front of me, in front of my keyboard or gaming station. But we have this. It has a nice kind of wind protective screen, kind of like a velvety feel to it. Yeah, it has a little swivel. Again, it's not something that is going to like swing. You have to kind of use some force to kind of move it. But that could go right here, or it could go on the other mount aspect. I believe it has this LED light, and it has some plugs for your headset. This is USB-C, and then another audio connector. And then it looks like you get a USB-C cable. And that is it in that box. set up, like I said, in the next video. The last one we have is the Emeet camera, webcam. So me. You do get the instruction manual, a product quick guide, but yeah, we have the webcam right here. This one does come with a little tripod, so for future unboxing videos I might set that up where I'm not holding my phone per se. It does have, these might be the legs. You have the cable already connected. This USB. It does have the adapter to where if I did want this just on top of my computer screen, I could unscrew it from this base and then use this as a normal mount. So just as a general example, I could mount it on a screen. And then it does have the privacy visor where it just connects to the top. It just has a little flip aspect, so you can manually make sure that nobody's spying on you through the camera. But hopefully this kind of gives an idea as to these three great products. Again, I'm excited to put these together and to review them here shortly.